Making a video of my dog called Smudge. We're gonna play with him. Smudgy! Here, boy. Come here. Come on. You want to chase the hand? Huh? You want to get the hand? Get it. Get the hand. Oh, do you want to fetch a stick? Let's try to find a stick. Don't know if you like those ones. Let's see. Ooh. You want to play with this stick? You want to play with this stick? Go get it. Get it. Get it. You don't like that stick? You don't like it? No? What else do you want? Huh? Ooh, I see a stick. I see your stick. Come on. Come here. Want to fetch the stick? Oh, I bet you want to fetch the stick. Get it. Get the stick. Get the stick. Come on. Get the stick. Seriously? Okay. You want to get the stick? You want to get the stick? Right here. Get the stick. Come here. Oh, that's a good boy. You brought the stick here. You brought me the stick. Oh, yes, you did. You brought me the stick. You want to get the stick? You want to get the stick? You probably want to get the stick. Get it. Guess you don't want to get the stick. Guess you don't want to get the stick. Well, bye, guy. He's just playing with Smudge for a day. Because he didn't want you to think I was just making one video and be done with YouTube. Bye.